Good morning. Today we're going to go over our day one DMR, should say week 11, day one. So we're going to color in 60% or 3/5 of the model. Well, we've talked about percentages and decimals and fractions. And really what's the best to focus on right now for this week is look at that fraction. It says 3/5, which literally means 3 out of 5. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes. You're going to color in 3 of them. Simple as that. Computation is 1 3/4 plus 2 1/2. We need to find common denominators for our fractions. So 4 can stay the same. We'll keep 1 3/4. But 2 can be changed into a 4 by multiplying the bottom number by 2 and the top number by 2, which would make our fraction. Whole number stays the same, 2 and 2/4. Solve, add the whole numbers first. 1 plus 2 is 3. Add your numerators, the top numbers first. 3 plus 2 is 5. And the bottom number stays the same, 4. The answer is 3 5/4. Now you can actually change it around. 5/4 is equal to 1 1/4. 4 goes into 5 one time with 1 left over, 1 1/4. Would you add that to 3 and 3 plus 1 1/4 would be 4 1/4. But if you had that answer or this answer, for now, both of them are correct. Algebraic functions. Paul's Pizza secret sauce recipe is 1 1/2 cups of tomato paste, 3/4 cups of garlic, fresh garlic, 1/6 cup of oregano, and 2/3 cups of mystery ingredient. What is the total amount of ingredients? Again, this is an addition problem. We need to find common denominators. So first, I'm going to write out my number sentence. I need to ask myself, what can I multiply 2, 4, 6, and 3 by that they all share the same number? Well, the answer is going to be 12. So it's going to be 1 and blank over 12 plus blank over 12 plus blank over 12 plus blank over 12. And let me show you why it is 12. 2 times 6 is 12, so then we multiply 1 times 6 to get 6. 4 times 3 is 12, so we'll multiply 3 times 3 to get 9. 6 times 2 is 12, so 1 times 2 is 2. And 3 times 4 is 12, 2 times 4 is 8. So now I've rewritten these fractions to be 1 and 6/12 plus 9/12 plus 2/12 plus 8/12. That's actually 1 and 8/12. Add my whole numbers. 1 and 1 is 2. Add my numerators. 6 plus 9 is 15, plus 2 is 17, plus 8 is 25, over 12. Now, the fraction 25 over 12. 12 can fit into 25 2 times, with 1 left over out of 12. So we do 2 plus 2 and 1/12 equals 4 and 1/12 cups. A lot of work. Okay, we're finding the mean or the average. We add up all these numbers together. 64, 84, 59, 21. 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 4 is 14, plus 4 is 18, carry your 1. 6 plus 1 is 7, plus 8 is 15, plus 5 is 20, plus 2 is 22. The number is 228. We take that number and we divide it by the number of numbers in our data set. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 can't go into 2, but it can go into 22. 5 times, that's 20. 2 left over. And 4 times 7 is 28. There's our mean. All right, we're doing 1/2 times the height times the sum of the bases. So plug in your numbers. So it'd be 1/2 times our height is 6 times base 1 is 8, base 2 is 12. Now, next step. Always do what's in your parentheses first. So I'm going to just leave this stuff alone. 8 plus 12 is 20. All right, now you can multiply these in any order you want to. I can do 1/2 times 6 and then multiply that by 20. I can do 1/2 of 20 and multiply that by 6. Or I can do 6 times 20 and do it by 1/2. I'll go ahead and just do it straight across. So 1/2 of 6, or 1/2 times 6, is 3 times 20, which mental math is 60 inches squared. Last one. Caleb sold 33 cookies for 95 cents each, 40 glasses of milk for 75 cents each. How much total sales did he have? This is a multiplication of decimals problem. So we're going to start with our cookies. 33 of them times 95 cents. 5 times 3 is 15, carry your 1. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 1 is 16. Put your 0 at the bottom here. 9 times 3 is 27, carry your 2. 9 times 3 is 27, plus 2 is 29. 5, 13, 11, 3. 1, 2 decimal movements, 1, 2 decimal movements. The cookies, he made 31.35. All right, now let's look at the milk that he sold. He sold 40 glasses of milk for 75 cents. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 4 is 20. Put in our 0. 7 times 0 is 0. 7 times 4 is 28. Add it up. He made $30 selling the milk. So $31.35 plus $30. I mean, I could do it in my head because $30 even is pretty easy. But if you write it out, 5, 3, 1, 6, he made $61.35. And that's our morning work for today.